Hello, we are the Team 6, and I will explain to you about three topics: periodic trends, chemical bonds, and intermolecular forces. The different periodic trends are atomic sizes, which can be defined as the distance between the nucleus and the outermost energy level of the atom. In the periodic table, elements with larger atomic size are found more towards the left and bottom. Another trend is ionization energy, which is the energy required to remove an electron from an atom, essentially stealing an electron. Unlike atomic sizes, elements with higher ionization energy are found more towards the top and right, meaning they require more energy to remove an electron. Lastly, we have electronegativity, which is the tendency of an atom to attract electrons towards itself. Similar to ionization, elements with higher electronegativity um, are found more towards the top and right. However, it's important to note that noble gases do not participate in this trend. Chemical bonds are formed through attractive interactions between atoms and molecules, which leads to the stabilization of chemical compounds. There are three main types of chemical bonds: ionic bonds, covalent bonds, and metallic bonds. Ionic bonds involve the transfer of electrons, covalent bonds involve the exchange of electrons, and metallic bonds involve the collective exchange of electrons in metals. Ionic bond formed by the transfer of electrons between atoms with different electronegativities, resulting in oppositely charged ions that attract each other. Common between metals and nonmetals. Covalent bond established by the sharing of electrons between atoms with similar electronegativity. It can be polar or nonpolar, depending on the electron distribution. Metallic bond found in metals involving the free movement of electrons among atoms in an electron cloud. This allows for electrical and thermal conductivity in metals. Some properties of covalent compounds can be explained based, based on the intermolecular forces that hold the molecules together. They are weak, so in general, it is required to supply less energy for the substance to change their state of aggregation. The forces within an atom holding subatomic particles together are called the Coulomb forces of attraction. If the atoms come together, intermolecular forces occur within a molecule formed by the atoms, whose force is greater than the forces that exist between the molecules, called intermolecular forces, and it's divided into ion dipole, Trojan bond, and van der Waals forces. And well, um, it is all for these three topics.
So, this will be the topic corresponding to our video summating part of the stage 3 of the subject matter and its transformation. The contribution of each member was Fernando, Periodic Trends, Research, Christopher, Chemical Bonds, Research, and Farwell, Iker, Salas, Intermolecular Force, Research, Armando, Edition, and Javier, Edition and Narration. We really hope that this material will be helpful to your exams, and without further ado, good luck in your exams, and thanks for your attention. Goodbye.